Understanding heat loss, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, heat loss. This term is not only a key concept in science but also a part of everyday English. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means. Heat loss refers to the transfer of heat from a warmer area to a cooler area. This can happen in various contexts, such as in buildings, the human body, or even in cooking. It's important to understand that heat naturally moves from a hot area to a cold one. And this movement is what we call heat loss. To make this concept clearer, let's look at some common examples. 1. In buildings. In winter, heat from inside a house can escape to the colder outside environment. This is why we insulate homes, to reduce heat loss. 2. Human body. Our bodies lose heat in cold weather, which is why we wear warm clothing to prevent too much heat loss. 3. Cooking. When you remove a pot from the stove, it cools down because it loses heat to the surrounding air. Now, let's see how to use heat loss in sentences. We need better insulation to prevent heat loss. Wearing a hat in winter reduces heat loss from your head. Understanding heat loss is important for efficient energy use. It's also useful to know related terms. Insulation, material used to reduce heat loss. Thermal energy. This is what is being transferred or lost in the process of heat loss. Conduction, convection, radiation. These are the methods through which heat loss can occur. I hope this video has helped you understand what heat loss means and how it's used in everyday English. Remember, learning phrases like these can really heat up your language skills. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.